This is my first video and I hope you can learn something and enjoy it. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Millie. I have already learned Chinese calligraphy for several years in my secondary school, and I also have a very good calligraphy teacher. Now I'm going to share with you 3 tips about writing Chinese calligraphy. First, we have to pay attention to our sitting posture. We need to lift up our head and also relax our shoulders and also straight your spine. Because when people they very pay attention to their characters, they would very close to the paper, and that's very harm to your neck. So we need to straighten our spine. The second one is we need to learn how to use our wrist. Most of the people, they just use their finger to write a character and they don't know how to use their wrist. Because when you know how to write with your wrist, it will be more easily to control your structure of your characters. And also, you don't need to very press your shoulder to write a character. That's very bad of your appearance and also harm to your shoulders, and because it is very nervous to your body. You need to relax your elbows and also your wrist. And the third one is you need to remember when we write a character, we have 8 orientation. This is a 9-box position and the 5 position is where our brush located. It is better to consider the direction of each stroke. For example, if we write a horizontal stroke, we need to move our brush holder slightly from the middle to the right. That means we need to move from the 5 position to the 6 position. Next, I would introduce a practice for you. This is called a long horizontal stroke. First, we need to press our brush with the tip of the brush vertically and also press it until to the 2/3 of the brush. And then we slightly move our elbow to the right. We move our wrist to the right and also with the brush holder. It is the best moment when you are able to feel the conflict between your brush with your rice paper, so that your ink can be pressed into the rice paper. When we write this long stroke, we need to keep our hand hanging and also relax your elbow and your shoulders. Just like that. At the end of this long stroke, we need to go back with our brush slightly and then lift our brush. This practice is very good for you to stable your hand. If you want to know more about Chinese calligraphy, please subscribe and comment below. Bye.